when there's a time when Noah divided the earth amongst his children, because Noah is the 10th person from Adam. See, so there's a time he divided the land amongst Shem, Ham, Japheth, and their sons. That's the time when a guy named Peleg was born. Okay, he says in the book of Genesis 10 that's when the earth was divided. Okay, it doesn't mean the Pangea thing. Have you heard Pangea? It's a science word that talks about that talks about when there was a continental drift and the continents formed. That's not what Peleg is. You see, Peleg is when Noah divided the earth after the flood amongst his children and his sons. So, and this book narrates that. So look at this. It says, the land which came forth for Japheth. By the way, this is Japheth. Noah is the 10th, like I said, from Adam, when you're counting towards Jesus Christ. So you have Shem, Ham, and Japheth, right? Okay. So Japheth is one of the guys, okay? Shem is the one in the lineage of Abraham unto Jesus. And Ham is the Egypt, basically, and the northern kind of part of Africa. The real sub-Saharan Africa is not, all of them is not Ham. Most of them are Shem, by the way. That same tribe of Jesus, where Jesus came from. So he's talking about Japheth now. Now watch this. The land which came forth for Japheth, okay, and his sons, as the portion of his inheritance which he should possess for himself and his sons for their generations forever. 5 great islands, a great land in the north, but it is cold, you see. And the land of Ham is hot, and the land of Shem is neither hot nor cold. It's a blended of cold and heat, you see. And then when he described, look, he said it extends, this is talking about what came forth for Japheth, you see. And for Japheth came for the third portion, River Tina, the north of the outward flow, like that. He said it extends towards the mountain of the Celt. That's why you have the Celtics, right? That's a European thing, towards the north, and like that. That's it, and that's why we have it here. So everything you see on this part of the world, where is that? Boom, yes. Okay. Everything you see in these islands, you remember it says island? It belongs to Japheth. So this is the land of Japheth is cold. The land of Ham, so towards here, is hot. All this place is neither hot nor cold, regular temperature. Wow. So they try to squeeze, look at the size of the thing. They try to squeeze Euphrates and Tigris within Iraq.
They keep saying that's where it is.
It's absolutely not.
It's so small.
Because how would God want to share, or Noah wants to divide the whole earth?
A tiny
yes, and it gives the land between Euphrates and Tigris somewhere inside Iraq here for his son, whose name is Aram, by the way, Aram. Okay, and then give all of this to Ham. All of the whole of Africa to Ham, and it gives that tiny place. No, it doesn't work.